The dawn of the automobile era.
In the early 1900s, cars were rare and expensive, reserved mostly for the wealthy. Roads were few and most people relied on horses or trains for travel. However, a revolution was about to begin that would put automobiles within reach of millions, forever changing society, the economy, and the landscape of cities.
Henry Ford's vision for mass production.
Henry Ford believed everyone should be able to afford a car, not just the rich. In 1913, he introduced the moving assembly line to his factory. This innovation cut the time to build a Ford Model T from over 12 hours to just 93 minutes, drastically lowering costs and making cars more accessible to ordinary people.
Affordable cars and the birth of mass mobility.
Thanks to the assembly line, Ford dramatically lowered the price of the Model T. By standardizing parts and streamlining production, the company was able to sell millions of cars at prices most families could manage. As ownership soared, the automobile became a symbol of freedom and opportunity across America.
Transforming cities and lives.
The rise of affordable cars changed how people lived and worked. Suburbs grew as families moved farther from city centers. Commute times were reduced, and new industries like motels, gas stations, and roadside diners emerged. City layouts shifted to accommodate cars, with the development of highways and parking lots.
A lasting impact on industry and society.
Ford's assembly line didn't just transform car manufacturing, it influenced countless other industries, from appliances to electronics. Mass production methods spread globally, driving economic growth. Today, the principles pioneered in Ford's factories continue to shape how products are made, highlighting the profound impact of this industrial innovation.